Hi guys, Mr. Trino here. I just want to do a quick demo for our Dream Home assignment. Very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to a website called dreamhomesource.com, and you're going to scroll through the website and you're going to select from a list of styles that are on the side. So I'm clicking on ranch style right now and it's loading up. And once it loads up, you'll see a collection of a whole bunch of different houses. There are about 9,000 different home designs for you to choose from. So here's the page where you would choose various different houses. Once you find one that you like, you click on it and then the floor plans are going to load. Once it loads up, if you're happy with the way the home looks, I want you to print off a picture of the front of the house as well as the floor plans or the schematics to build up the house. And in order to do that, you're just going to hit on floor plans over to the side here, and you're going to hit print floor plan, and then you're going to use this floor plan to actually build up your house in the floor planner website. Alright, so going over to floor planner, you're going to create your own account and you're going to name your project. So for me, I put it Trino Dream Home. You're going to go into projects and you can see that I have mine started here, and the house is going to come up on screen. And I just want to go over a couple of the drag and stretch features of the program to help you out. So if you want to work in zoomed in mode, that's fine, or if you want to zoom out and see the entire screen at one time, you can do that as well. Always refer to your plan. So I got my printout here and I'm just starting with the garage and the kitchen area. So a couple of features of the program you have on the side here, you have the construction bar, and it's got the first link here is for add a room. When you click on that, all the white waypoints on the sides of the building basically point out to you so that you can quickly extend and drag a room. Once you're happy with the size of your room, you can then double click on it and change the color of the floor and put in hardwood or grass or rocks or whatever type of flooring design you want to have for the bottom of your room. If you have angles or you want to change the direction or angle of the room, you can simply drag and click the room over from either one of the waypoints, and you can modify the actual look of that space to make it exact with your plans for what you need. On the left hand side, you have a toolbar that's going to basically show you a whole bunch of options that you have for selecting furniture, windows, doors, etc. And so you just select it and it's going to show you 3D view, which is the cube, and that's going to show you the object as we would see it in 3D. And if it's flat, like you're working on your screen, you select 2D and it'll show you a set of doors. So let's go ahead and drag that over. It's all drag and drop. So you drag over the set of doors to your design, and then once you're over on the side of your design, you can simply at that point just go ahead and click on it, and if you want to make it bigger, you can just adjust the size of it to have the door bigger with width. And if you want to have it open inwards instead of outwards, you can use this button here to flip it, and so now you can see that the doors are opening inwards instead. Okay. Other than that, if you have a room that's really complex and you want to do something like this, creating sort of a breakfast nook like I have here on my plan, and you can kind of see it a little blurry there, you have to select wall here, and on the wall you can select a line to build a room. So once you select that, you can then go ahead and start and build any dividing line inside the actual house. Okay, so I've just done that there. And then if you want to make that line larger, then you simply just double click on it. Okay, and then it's going to let you make that line bigger and increase the size of it so that it's the same as all the other walls. And then you just have to find and click on each line to go ahead and make that line larger. Now, because it's so thin, it's hard to actually click on it. It takes a second, and that's how that works if you want to do a divider. Okay. Once you are happy and satisfied with your design, you can go ahead and zoom in. Just adjust this. You can zoom in and you can see that I have the garage here already set up and I have a couple cars in it. There's the entrance in and out of the garage. Okay, I'm starting to put in my kitchen cabinetry. I have doors. This is going to be a pantry. This is a storage area, and this is going to be a washroom. So if you're ready to set that up, you simply can just go and click on washroom or bathroom, and then you have your options that come up on the side for towels, toilets, sinks, etc. And then again, you can just drag and drop that option over into the room. And if you're not happy with the size of it, click, enlarge, rotate, and those are basically the features of the program. And from that, you can build up all of your rooms. If you have any questions in class, feel free as always to ask. And for this project, you have to do 2 floors, and you're allowed 3 modifications to your plan without any penalty. All right, guys, good luck.